Hello, class. All right, so when you've got an account set up in your Microsoft Azure portal, you will see a bunch of these services that you could sign up for, or you can search for a service that you want to sign up for. Now, we're doing everything through the free tier, and you should as well, because for 12 months, they offer quite a bit. But if you want to do a blob storage, the first thing you'll need to do is create yourself a storage account. So you can just search for storage, click on storage accounts, and then what you would do, see, I've already got one created up, but you just add one. And then once it cycles, you will choose free trial, and then I've created a resource group already, right? MDEV 1001, but you'll create your own. And then you can choose a name for your storage account, whatever you'd like. And then you will keep all these things at default. It defaulted for me to US East, which is our time zone, and then storage V2 is the one that you'll want to do, and then yeah, basically all of these are the defaults, and you want this to be hot, not cool, because we want to be able to read and write in real time. And then the connectivity method, we are going to do a public one, so we don't have to worry about everything being behind private. And then here, we don't want soft delete. If we delete, we really want it to be gone. And everything else you can keep as default, and then you can just click next and then click review and create. You don't need to create any tags. So once you've got that done, it's going to take a little bit of time, and then it'll get you your new storage account. Once you've got your new storage account going, then what you can do is look for blob, and blob services are there. So now you can create yourself a container if you want. So you can tell that I've already got quite a few here, right? But here it's as easy as creating a container, and you don't have to do it through this interface. If you want, you can create your containers and the names for your containers in your code, which you'll see in the app once you download it. But here you basically just have to specify a name for the container and then your access level. So you can give it anonymous read access for containers and blobs. So this is the case if you have a bunch of images that you would like an app to access, but you don't want to be able to change them, then you would choose this. So all container and blob data can be read by anonymous requests. Clients can enumerate blobs within the containers by anonymous request, but cannot enumerate containers within the storage account. So that means they can't query to see what kind of containers I have, but if they know about the container, then they can look at what's in it. So they can enumerate all the files in it, all the images. Yeah, anyways, so then you choose a name. You can call it images or whatever you'd like. And now you've got your blob storage set up. And now it's as easy as using that container and setting the name correctly in your app, which we'll go through in a bit.